Those are fireworks. No. Fireworks over there. And, why today? I don't know. I don't know what's so special. But they're at the park. And I was just at the park. So, why is it so dark here? It doesn't matter. Hopefully they're not setting them off here. Because I see strange blue light. It might be setting them off here. Hold on. Hopefully not. Because that'd be very, very sad and unfortunate. Wouldn't it? They stop. So every time I pull out my phone to record something, it always stops. Whatever it is. That's okay. Here's our part 3 of walking home. I guess so. So. There it is. I don't know how close that is. I think it's like right there. I don't know, but part 3. Us walking home. Here we go. See some strange white light right there. I saw a strange blue light. I don't know where that went. Anybody following me? Anybody? Nah. Okay, we good. We good. Okay. Probably can't see my face, but you can hear my voice. Got my wallet? Good. Nobody took that. Ooh. Tough day. I got a lot of things to post to YouTube. Damn. That's alright though. We get it. We got this. Let's go. Funny if my boy Noah was out here. I don't see another firework. At least I got one on vid. Man, what's that? I see something on the floor. There. Is that? Ba-da-bum-bum-bum. Not sponsored. Yeah. Off we go home. Off we go. Let's just hop over this. Not a problem. Damn, you could really smell the shit out of that porta potty. Now, as we walk home, I have some things to tell you. Oh, that was a strange blue light. Number 1. Walking home in the dark is a different experience. For all y'all who are stuck inside, you need Jesus. Sorry I said that, but you just need Jesus. Like, come on. Come outside. Have some fun. Playground. Because nobody's at the playground at that time. Well, at least where I live. I don't know where you guys may live or whatever. But, for once, I learned some experience. Touch some grass. Come on, play outside. Touch that mulch. Feel the mulch in the grasp of your hand. Now, enough about the mulch. It is time to walk home. Walking home is kind of fun, especially in the dark. Subscribe if you could see all the features on my face. I said that because nobody's going to subscribe. Because none of y'all can see my face. You probably can. No, like there. But, yeah. Off we go to go home and look at the videos and try to cross out addresses that I might have put on the camera. Because if I post that with that would be very sad and unfortunate. Saying those 2 lines, sad and unfortunate, is kind of like really fun. My ankle is just like, just very sad and unfortunate. Time to go. Come that car. Woo! Pretty fun. Yes. So off we go. Hopefully I still have time to hop on the game. Wait, no, because I have to eat food. I haven't eaten food yet. Although I'm not hungry, My arms feel very tight. Time to cross the street of doom. You know how many people I know that died on this road? It's an insane number. Guess what it was? None. None that I know of. That's a big number. And rising. Well, rising, not yet. It will though. At least I did not get kidnapped. That is the scary part about walking home alone, though. Like, if you were like, the problem about society is like, let's say like you were like a girl, right? Say I was a girl, right? And I'm walking down the street alone. That is a big problem because a man will come along and be like, hey girl, what's your number? Come here, let's have some. You know, some perverty thing or something. Some bullshit like that. But, not like me, like a man walking down, hey, not a problem. I could walk all night long. I don't give a shit, and then I won't get kidnapped. Well, I might. I mean, nobody's gonna harass me. One, because I'm a white male. So there's that. But it don't matter. Don't matter. But yeah, so we are about to come to my house. So, which would be this house here, which is kind of cool. I sleep up there. I can't show the photo now, or else you're gonna see my address. Just go around the mailbox that has my address on it. I'm gonna aim it this way. Okay. Now, coming up to the house. Why is that door open? Okay. Yet again, bad parking job. I don't know why. But if you can, please, oh please, like and subscribe. And always know that I will be watching you through YouTube. It's time for dinner.